Hi, media.Xchange. This is Danica Sotto-Pingris.
This is Echarri.
This is Mark Ian Garcia.
This is Sam Coloso.
My name is Michael Ver.
I'm Karen Eistro.
This is Oyo and I'm going to watch The Kingdom. Actually, the whole movie itself kasi super bago kay Daddy. First, from start to finish, seryosong role. Walang comedy kahit katiting. So excited ako sa buong movie.
What I'm most excited about is seeing my dad do a film na he has never done before. So, this is his first na film that's not comedy, like all the way. Kasi usually, di ba, minsan may comedy, tas may konting drama. Pero ito talagang seryoso from start to finish. And also, interesting yung storyline eh, 'di ba? It's something na I know hindi pa natin napapanood before. So, yun, what will happen also sa story. And actually, when I saw the costumes pa lang, even yung set and all, na-excite na ako.
Pinaka-excited po ako, siguro sa lahat, is the fact that it's a very hard genre to touch, fiction, and for us to elevate in cinema, I'm happy to see that we're doing something that not much people has done, especially here in the Philippines. And I'm excited to see what we have in store and where we're going with cinema.
Well, of course, I'm excited to see the effects of the movie kasi trailer pa lang kita mo naman na sobrang ganda. And of course, can't wait to see Christine act. As we all know, talagang one of the best actresses siya here. And yeah, can't wait to see the whole movie.
Excited ako to watch everyone, especially Sue, for her movie, and ayun.
Excited ako na mapanood sa Kingdom is ito kasi yung what if natin, di ba? Na what if hindi tayo nasakop? Ano kaya yung magiging itsura ng bansa nating Pilipinas? Gaano kaya tayo ka-successful as independent country na may sariling pagkakakilanlan? So that's what I'm excited about.
And ayun, I'm just so excited to see the storyline. And of course, si Bossing na makikita natin na magsi-serious acting na siya. Grabe, I'm very, very excited for that. And ayun, I can't wait to see the movie.
I'm excited about the storyline, the storyline of this movie. And I want to see how the different artists portray their role. At the same time, the biggest lesson in this movie. Kaya I'm excited for The Kingdom.
I'm really excited to just watch Bossing, on his very first dramatic film. Kaya abangan niyo po yan mga Dapper Cats and sa mga manonood po ngayon.
Ewan ko, syempre siguro dapat walang corruption. Di ba?
Siguro medyo mababaw lang, no? But I believe that parang yun yung medyo kulang talaga sa minsan dito sa bansa natin. Minsan yung disiplina that masamama yung dating, pero kunwari, if they really litter, tapos yung kunwari, yung mga nagkakalat, di ba? Yung minsan di tayo strict sa mga pagtatapon ng basura, siguro mag-i-impose talaga ako ng multa. At malaking multa. Para talagang sumunod yung mga tao.
Para sa akin, we have to spread love, spread awareness that we're all on this earth for a reason. And yun siguro.
What law am I going to implement? So this is very impromptu. What's on top of my head is siguro lessening the vehicles sa kalsada. Siguro mas strengthening the transportation natin and encouraging people to use the sidewalks and providing larger sidewalks and promoting bicycle siguro, gano'n.
Gusto ko yan. Bawal ang magutom. Ganon.
If I would become the president, I would like to make sure that everyone is treated fairly and everyone will be happy. Please watch The Kingdom.
An entry for MMFF.
Showing na po sa lahat ng cinema.
With my dad, Vic Soto, and Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Support local.